try a new product. Yay me. I'm trying Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard Natural Styling Gel. Now, this may not be a new product to most of you guys, but it's new to me because I don't really get out of my comfort zone that often and try new products. I am very much a person that finds a product that I like and works with me and works with my allergies, and I will stick with it and I will use it until the wheels fall off, as you guys know. But I decided, let me try something different. Now, this freaking product was like $20 freaking dollars, so I'm assuming this product is like a miracle or something. Is going to make my curls look the best they've ever looked, because the fact that it was that much money. But I did look up the reviews, and the reviews were pretty good. That was another reason why I bought it, because I was like, okay, if the reviews are good, yeah, it may be a product that's worth it, you know, because some products are expensive, but it's only because they have good ingredients in them. We're gonna just try it out. Hold on, I'm trying to open it. Okay. Finally. Okay, let me just double check the ingredients, make sure I'm good. So it looks like it's made with pretty natural ingredients, which is a plus for me. Because like I said, I have allergies, I'm gonna just look up a few of these like things that I don't know, like what is nettle? Okay, so just a lot of plants. Alright, so it says wash and condition hair, check. Remove tangles from hair with a wide tooth comb while conditioner is still in hair, check. Rinse and apply to wet hair. Using a towel will cause frizz. Okay. It says hair must be dripping wet. Divide hair into small sections. Comb, brush, or rake into section. Use a spray bottle to re-wet any dry section. Smooth with fingers from root to tip to lengthen your curls and reduce the puff. It says a tip to achieve ultimate curl definition and length. Not today may be used as a leave-in conditioner before applying curling custard. Now, I know certain products work really well when you use their whole product line. Some products don't really work well when you're mixing it with different brands because just the ingredients may not mesh well together. So I know I'm taking a risk with using a leave-in conditioner that is not kinky curly. So I'm keeping that in mind. But I was going to buy it, but it was very expensive too. So I was like, I don't want to just buy both of these products and then they both turn out like crap. I mean, not saying that it's crap, but that was just like a lot of money. I was just not okay with spending all that money at once. So this is what I'm doing, okay? So I'm going to wet my hair because I'm talking right now, and it's probably not super damp like it was. So I'm going to spray it to make sure it's really damp. Okay, that should be really wet. Yep, it's definitely damp and wet. And then I'm going to try it out. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay. Let's see what $20 does for you. To a $20 curling custard. Oh dang, this thing is sealed to the T. Okay, this thing is like super sealed. Smells interesting. Okay, so I guess I should show you how it looks. I mean, I feel like you guys have all seen this before, but it looks like a jelly texture. It's very like jello-y. Okay, so I hope I don't use too much, but I'm gonna get a little bit of it. Just a little. And then, okay, definitely you can see the aloe vera in it, and I'm just gonna put it in my hair. I'm gonna get a little bit more. I don't want to use too much, honestly. I feel like I'm just going to start off with using a little bit because I feel like sometimes with different gels, if you use too much, it's going to be flaky and it's just going to not turn out that good. So I'm going to hope this is a product that is like a little bit goes a long way type of thing. Especially because it's that much money and it's in this this little bit. So I'm assuming that it doesn't need to be super. Okay, now I'm going to scrunch. Wait, what? Let me just double check what it says. Okay. Now I'm scared because I kind of want to do a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit. I didn't put that much because, once again, I'm scared to put too much. And then it's like, I don't know. But this is how it's going to be. I'm kind of going to scrunch it to see if that does anything. Not bad. Right. I'm just going to continue doing it on the rest of my hair, and I'll see you when I'm done, okay? I'm going to continue listening to you. I was listening to a podcast.
Well, actually, I didn't even, no, I just said some dumb. I didn't even, mine was different. I said dumb on the fly trying to